Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft the wood fence in Minecraft. So in order to do this, you'll need some wood logs. So gather some wood logs. In this case I'll be using oak log. You can use any other wood, all of it works the same way. Right click on your workbench, put the oak logs inside and craft some oak planks. Now take the oak planks and craft some sticks, like this. Now we'll need to take the sticks, put them in the middle like this, and take the oak planks on the all of its size, like this. And here we can find the oak fence. Let's place it right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.